What's up guys, welcome back to Brian Reaction once again. Now if you're coming across my videos for the first time, kindly guys don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos. So to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. Now first of all, I want to share my prayers with people of Jamaican people are going through a lot right now. Hurricane Melissa is destroying that beautiful island and it's very, very sad. So I know right now my Jamaican brothers and sisters are going through a lot. We are praying with you. We are hoping that very soon God will restore your country. Now, in relation to that, there's this woman, this couple who have pissed me so much. And I know Jamaicans won't like this. So they booked this hotel, and while in this hotel, they were complaining about everything. Now, you can imagine right now, Jamaica is going through a lot. You know, people are just trying to hope that this Hurricane Melissa just comes to an end so that their lives can continue as usual. Now, this visitor, on the other hand, is complaining about the food, complaining about everything in this restaurant. Now, I want you to watch this video of what this woman just did, and I'll be back with a few comments.
Okay, welcome to my hurricane series now, because everybody wants to know what's happening and what we're gonna do. Okay, nothing but ride out this storm, but this is what they gave us in our snack ration meal to go boxes at this hotel, all-inclusive resort. Okay, this is a lunch box that they gave us. This has you know, what is this? What is this? Dinner.
What's that, brother?
Dinner. Or dessert. You know it. Okay. But at least they gave us salt and pepper packets, I mean. I'm guessing. Oh, a fruit cocktail. That's probably gonna go off, you know. Another.
That's great.
Another one. What is that? Okay, thank you. This is breakfast. Another breakfast one. I guess a little muffin. Hey, what can I say? This is my last box, guys. Peas and carrots, 2 hash browns, 2 boiled eggs, and some bacon that they probably scrapped off the breakfast this morning. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I almost forgot my cereals. Snacks. So, Pringles. Raisin Bran, because gotta get your fiber. Some orange juice. I got my milk for my cereal with no bowl. A granola bar. I'm actually pretty pleased with the snacks more than the food, so I guess I'll be surviving off of that for the next 2 days. And some Oreos. We're in the match, riding out this hurricane. Oh, and before I forget, we have no microwave in our room, but we've been given food to warm up. I guess we're supposed to eat it cold, but we don't have no microwave in our room. So, I don't know. Hold up, my husband's a bit more disappointed. Let's see what his got.
This one is dinner.
I guess that's a side salad.
This one. Let's do this. Let's get a little.
Ooh.
I'll probably eat this.
Dessert? A little roll?
A little roll.
Dinner roll? Okay. Oh, that's lunch. That's lunch. Ow. Beef and rice?
Yep.
Okay. Oh. I think that may be chicken. Chicken and beef.
Maybe.
With some cabbage. All right.
Box is all soggy.
Box is all soggy because the cardboard.
Another.
Save the ocean. Yes.
Little.
Another little side salad. Dessert. Oh, a little steak and chicken and some cabbage and ooh, oh, that's mashed potato. The gray stuff is mashed potato.
No, don't do it, baby.
Dessert,
Do it.
breakfast delights, I guess, and breakfast. That is the star of the show. The breakfast is the star of the show, guys. I just want to let you know. So may God be with us. We'll keep you updated as long as we have Wi-Fi and electricity. And yeah, we gotta ride out this storm.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the full clip. So that woman just decided to piss me off completely, and that's why I really had to do this video so that my Jamaican people, can see. And I know they won't like this, because right now Jamaica is going through a lot. Hurricane Melissa is destroying everything in Jamaica. The people's life are in danger. It's destroying the properties of people, businesses, farms, vehicles, crops. Hurricane Melissa is doing bad things in Jamaica. So I remember even Jamaican people, they had to go to the supermarket as early so that they can manage, to get the food that they're gonna be using during this period of Hurricane Melissa. So right now Jamaica is just in need of prayers. They're just hoping that this thing will come to an end so that their lives will go on as usual. Now, as that is happening, these couples decided just, they just want to piss us off, because they are in this hotel and they are complaining about everything. They're complaining about the food, they're complaining about the services, they're just complaining. They are saying what Jamaica is going through right now. They are aware that right now people, they just don't care about food or about anything. They just hope that they will wake up tomorrow. They just hope that this Hurricane Melissa will come to an end, will stop, so that at least their lives can continue as usual. So right now, I know my Jamaican people, they don't care about anything. They just hope that, oh my God, they're just praying for their God so that this Hurricane Melissa can stop destroying their beautiful island. So while you are in this restaurant complaining, I think the best thing you should do is join Jamaica, in praying for their country. You should at least help Jamaica in some way, because you are complaining about this food, and this food is being destroyed by Hurricane Melissa in the farms, because this food obviously comes in the farms. Now, Hurricane Melissa is destroying everything there. Their animals, their crops, their farms. So where do you expect food to come from? Obviously, there won't be there enough food for you to, to have. So this woman just pissed me off, because a lot is happening to the people of Jamaica. And even right now, I know many supermarkets in Jamaica, they are running out of food, because people decided, they just want to get prepared for this calamity. They just decided that they are getting enough food so that when this is going on, they will not be leaving their houses. They will just be under their roofs, hoping that tomorrow they will see another day. And these two are here complaining that the food is little. They're opening even the food, they're saying like, look at this. They are, they're trying to show us that the services that they were given in these Jamaican restaurants were not good. We all know that everyone that has been going to Jamaica, people have been happily visiting Jamaica. They have been having the best meal, good times in Jamaica. People who come out of Jamaica, when they come out of Jamaica, they just tell you that this country is so beautiful. The food is so good. They have plenty of food. They have plenty of everything. They loved everything is in Jamaica. But right now, these two need to understand that Jamaica is going through a lot. These people right now, they just care about waking up tomorrow. They just care about, God hearing their prayers so that this Hurricane Melissa can stop destroying everything in Jamaica. You can imagine how Jamaica will look when Hurricane Melissa is gone. They have now to start like from zero. I know many people right now have lost a lot. Their businesses, their houses, their crops, their farms, their animals, their vehicles. The floods are sweeping away everything. Right now, Jamaica is losing a lot. So instead of you, remembering Jamaica in your prayers, trying to understand that right now the situation is not good, trying to understand that right now Jamaican people, they just need your prayers. You are there complaining about how little the food is, how their services, I don't know, the services of that hotel are not, good. Right now, people don't care about that. They don't care. They're just hoping that this Hurricane Melissa does not, take their roofs off. They're just praying that these floods will not sweep their houses. They're just hoping that tomorrow they will wake up and, they're being told that this Hurricane Melissa is over. That is the only thing the people of Jamaica are, caring about right now. And you, as a visitor, you should join them, and you should also pray with them and hope for the best. Help them, hope for the best instead of just complaining about everything. So I know my Jamaican people will be pissed about this. You can imagine going through all that, and a visitor comes to your country and starts complaining about very little things that have not been happening before. Jamaicans won't like this. So to my Jamaican people, we are just hoping that everything will be cool in your country and this Hurricane Melissa will come down and go away completely. I know right now you guys are going through a lot. You are losing a lot, and we are with you in the prayers. We are hoping that this thing goes away. We are hoping that the God, our Lord, restores the peace that was in that beautiful island before. We are hoping that things will be okay very, very soon. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love. And remember, if you're coming across this video for the first time, kindly don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. So guys, thank you. Until my next video, one love.